Welcome to this episode number 3 of this series on iOS XR 7.4.1 innovations. Every week, my TME colleagues are presenting a newly introduced feature in a short capsule. Today, we have Paban with us describing a feature I've seen asked for a very long time, PPS-based polisher.
Hello everyone, my name is Paban Sharma and I am a technical marketing engineer with Cisco MIC Routing Business Unit. Today I am going to talk about the PPS-based polisher introduced in iOS XR 7.4.1 on the NCS 500 and NCS 5500 series routers. So prior to 7.4.1, we were able to define a polisher in absolute units, which is BPS, kbps, mbps or so, or in terms of relative unit, which is like percentage or per thousands of the port bandwidth. So burst in both cases could be say in bytes, kilobytes, or in time related to the polishing rate. With 7.4.1, a new unit for the polishers are introduced, that is packets per second. The burst size for these polishers are also defined in absolute number of packets. The polishing rate that is offered is in packets per second irrespective of the size of the packet. The burst size that are defined has to be in packets. The PPS and BPS rates that may coexist in a flat policy. That means some of the classes might be using a polisher defined in packets per second, and some of the classes may be using a polisher defined in kbps or mbps and so on. However, when we have hierarchical polishing, the parent and child must use the same unit. That means if my parent is defined in PPS, all my child classes must have a polisher defined in PPS. They cannot use a polisher defined in bits per second or kilobits per second like that. Now, the SOAK US output for a polisher of 1000 PPS, that polisher committed rate 1000 PPS and the burst size of 2000 packets are shown in braces. Now let's take a quick look at one of the NCS 5500 routers. So as you can see, this is a NCS 5500 router running iOS XR 7.4.1, and what I have here is a local connect between two ports of .1Q interface, and in one of this port I have a polisher program, and if I see the polisher, this is a polisher of 1000 PPS with burst size of 2000 packets. Now if I see the SOAK US output here, I have 1000 packets per second and 2000 packets of burst. As you can see in the XIA console here, like I am sending traffic from that 10 gig port 1 with VLAN 1, and I am sending 5000 PPS of traffic of size 128, and what I am getting around is like 1000. Like if you can see this number, this will be fluctuating for the display, but this is around 1000. Now if I change these packet rates to let's say 512, I will still see the same number appearing in the receive rate, that is around 1000, and even if I go to 1500 bytes packets, this number won't change. So polisher defined in PPS actually offers a constant packet rate for the incoming traffic. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Paban. That's very clear. Next week, Tejas will talk about the benefits of BLB and BFD coexistence. That's BFD over bundle links, of course. Stay tuned.